Hey, look at that, the moon is almost full. I think tomorrow is a full moon. Anyway, you're rambling, man. I'm stealing an idea and a recipe from our good friend Sal down in Florida, the Rootboy Cooks. I think he got this from Marcus, 0815 barbecue, I'm not sure. I forgot what Sal called these things, but what he did was he took some long hot dogs, cut them down the middle, but he didn't go through the ends, so that he created kind of like a pocket, and he stuffed that pocket with ground beef. Anyway, Sal did this, I watched it, and I said, man, I'm doing that. I am definitely doing that, so tonight's the night I'm doing it. But, there's a caveat. Actually, two caveats. I'm changing some of the ingredients. Actually, I'm changing all of the ingredients. I think you know what one of them is going to be. In lieu of ground beef, we're using ground bison, of course. And in lieu of hot dogs, I'm doing chicken brats from a company called, I think it's Adele's. I tried them about a week ago. I said, holy moly, this is on the top of my forever, I'm going to buy this at the store list. They're just that good. Stick around. The Weber griddle. Been a while, a long while. Right, I'm gonna let everything warm up and we'll be back. Okay, check this out before I start cutting into these. These are jalapeno and mango chicken bratwursts. I guess they're bratwursts. They're dogs for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna do what Sal did. Get yourself a sharp knife, and we're going to cut right down the middle, but not all the way through. We're just gonna go here. Create a pocket. It's what Sal did. I guess this is what Marcus probably did also. By golly, this is what I'm gonna do. There we go. In case you fell asleep, we'll do another one. Now these aren't as girthy, well, as long as a regular hot dog would be, but that's okay. Yeah. Is that helicopter again? Let's see. You can see, I don't know if you can see it in this light, but these little specks, that's all jalapeno. Right here, if you can see it, looks like you can, we have 1 pound of ground bison. This is not my usual brand. It's kind of an off brand, but hey, bison is bison. You can't mess with it. So even though it's an off brand, it's bison. So we're just gonna quarter that up. And here's the fun part. I hope it's the fun part. For me, might be kind of a difficult part, but we're gonna open up the dog like that, and we're gonna stuff the bison right inside, just like Sal did, just like Marcus did. I'm assuming that's what he did. Try and get all of it in. Maybe a little bit more. Oh man. These are gonna be a sloppy good mess. It's gonna be really good, man. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a 1/4 pound into these chicken sausages are quite a bit smaller than big old dogs, but we'll have a little extra bison left over for a later time. You know what I should do? Since this is already pre-cooked and the bison is not, hey, we're just gonna, we're gonna really wrap it. Yeah. But you gotta work it then. When you're doing it this way, you gotta work it. All right. There we go. And hopefully, I'm gonna have to go low and slow with this because this is gonna cook long before the, you know, the ground bison inside is gonna get cooked all the way through. So this is gonna be a low and slow type of deal. Of course, we're gonna use some Sang stir-fry oil on the griddle to prevent stickage. You knew that, right? Of course you did. I'm just gonna put some duck fat on here, but I think something is telling me that Sangs is what we want for this. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to stay away from the hottest part of Let me do that again. I'm going to try and stay away from the hottest part of the fire, not the hottest fart. That's what it was I was trying to say. I don't know. You want to kind of go slow on these. On the other hand, I don't want to move them around a lot. So, there we go. We'll be back as these begin to cook. I can't wait, man. Whew, it'll be good. All right, we are definitely a real good two-zone cook going on here. Putting the lid on. I've got the vents cranked down quite a bit, and bottom vents are probably about half open, half closed. I think this is going to take us to nirvana, so stick around. I don't know if I've mentioned this yet or not, but we're going for an internal temperature of the ground beef. Ground beef? Ground beef? Beef? It's bison. Get it right. See, it's been a long time. Inside the dogs to be 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're getting there. I'm about 120 right now, so it won't be long. Won't be long at all. All right, I don't know how much time has passed, but it was fun. Just check the internal temperature. The ground bison in the center of these brats are done. 160, maybe a little bit above it. So it's time to take everything off. I do have to apologize for the wonkiness of these. Look kind of funny, you know. It doesn't matter. How they look is of no concern. It's how they taste. If they taste anything like they smell right now, holy moly, we're going to be eating like kings. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, 0815 Barbecue. I guess that's Marcus. Is that his name? It's been a while since I watched some videos, you know. All right. Anyway, there we go. Let's get them inside. Dress them up if we need to. I think I'm just going to put a little bit of stone ground mustard on mine and call it good. The only thing I'm putting on mine is some stone ground mustard. You can dress them up any way you like. I want to keep it simple. Farting bottle of stone ground mustard, you know. Oh God, we're almost out of stone ground mustard. The bottle is really farting. These are pretzel buns. I forgot to mention them earlier. Whoops. Yeah. Also forgot to bring my brain with me, you know. I guess it doesn't matter. We'll just turn this one over. There you go. And you know what I always say? But how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? Let's find out. Oh man. I have no words. This is exceptionally great. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna eat. Probably not in silence. We're gonna crank up some tunes, and then I gotta go downstairs into the edit bay and edit this video. Try to remind myself or remember how to do it because it's been so long. So glad you watched. Stick around.
But how this is the coolest thing ever.